Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
The Carrie Fire Tour by former Led Zeppelin frontman Robert Plant with the sensational Shapeshifters. Photojournalist Steve Jennings chatted with FOH engineer Mark Kennedy with all the details about this summer's hottest outing. We also check in on Nashville's CMA Fest, where Morris Sound handled some of the key stages at this mega event that featured more than 380 artists at different venues throughout Music City. Meanwhile, Brian Reisman looks into the Montreal Jazz Festival, one of the world's largest jazz festivals, with hundreds of performances across the city over a 10-day period. And it just wouldn't be summer without an extended weekend of jammin', as Stephen Marley and friends entertained for the California Roots Festival, one of the country's largest reggae music fests. Our installation feature spotlights 5 recent sound system installs in new and upgraded nightclub projects, each different, but all reflecting the state of the art.
our buyer's guide this month focuses on
Measurement mics. An accurate linear measurement mic is a must for serious sound system tweaking, and we present more than a dozen models designed for the task. And this month, we launch a new section called Power Tools, which provides advanced tips for using different products, starting off with PreSonus flagship Studio Live Series 3 digital mixer. Don't miss it.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.